This ride, by its very nature, creates forces and speeds that may not be acceptable to some persons.
Jump.
Thank you.
Sarah! What are you doing? Look at that, you got gum, you got... We're just going higher and higher and higher and higher. Yeah, that's the cheetah and then cobra. Oh, yeah. Montu is that one at the wave. It doesn't stop. We just keep going higher and higher. I gotta pop my ears. I know, mine. This ride, you fall down so quickly, your ears pop. Because you're 300 feet in the air. Oh, wow. I don't want to revisit my lunch. My ears? Oh, my ears are popping. Dude, that was cool. Hey guys, this is Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Falcon's Fury. This ride is huge, 300 feet in the air. Oh my gosh, but it's definitely the highest I've ever done, any ride I've ever ridden before, and that's pretty high up there on my top ever rides. So much fun. If you did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.